Preparing your older child to welcome a new sibling. Getting ready for a growing family. Hello, dear parents. Surely, joy is filling your home as you prepare to welcome another little angel into your family. Right? It truly is a huge milestone, a boundless happiness. But sometimes, for the older brothers and sisters, the arrival of a new baby can come with a bit of anxiety, confusion, and even feelings of being pushed aside. Don't worry. Today, we're going to explore some wonderful tips to help prepare your older child emotionally, so they can feel excited and happy about welcoming their new sibling. Before diving into the details, let's quickly go over the key points to keep in mind. The timing and way you share the news with your child is crucial. Psychological preparation needs to be tailored to each age group. Parents should help their child understand both the joys and the minor inconveniences that come with a new baby. Always make time for quality one-on-one moments with your older child, and involve them in preparing for the new family member. And above all, be patient and empathetic toward your child's emotional and behavioral changes during this transition. Alright, let's begin our journey of preparing your older child. The golden timing and how to break the news. So, when is the best time to tell your child about the upcoming baby? Experts suggest the earlier, the better, ideally, once the pregnancy is confirmed and you feel ready to share the news. Psychologist Mandy Silverman emphasizes that speaking openly and clearly helps prevent unnecessary worries about the changes the child may sense in the family. It gives them plenty of time to adjust to the idea of becoming an older sibling. What if your family is adopting? Even though the signs of a new addition aren't as obvious as pregnancy, it's just as important to inform your child early on. Take time to explain and patiently answer all their questions. The most important thing when sharing the news is how we deliver it. Use simple, age-appropriate language. Highlight that having a new sibling is a wonderful and positive thing. Tell them about all the exciting things ahead. They'll have a new little friend to love, to play with, to proudly watch grow up, and even to teach. Paint a beautiful picture of a lively, happy, and fuller family. Age-appropriate preparation. Different kids, different needs. We all know that children of different ages perceive and feel things differently. So, the way we prepare them should be just as thoughtful and tailored. For toddlers, 1 to 2 years old, at this age, your little one might not fully grasp the concept of having a new sibling. And that's perfectly okay. Stay cheerful and enthusiastic when talking about the upcoming baby. Look at adorable baby pictures together in books or magazines, and start using words like baby, baby brother, or baby sister to help them get familiar. You could also do something special for your child during this time. Maybe give a small gift, spend extra time playing together, or arrange fun outings with grandparents. You might even invite your child to help think of names for the baby. For young preschoolers, 2 to 4 years old, at this age, children are beginning to assert their independence and often don't like sharing their parents' love and attention. They also become more sensitive to changes around them. Gently explain that the family will soon have a new member, their sibling. Watch cartoons and read books that feature sibling relationships. Picture books about newborns are also great tools for helping them form positive associations. You can even gift them a doll to practice holding and caring for a baby. For older preschoolers, 4 to 6 years old, children at this age are more understanding. You can explain that the new baby will be adorable and that, in time, they'll be able to play together. However, be honest. Newborns need lots of help and attention at first. Most importantly, reassure your child that even though mom and dad may be busier, their love for both children will remain strong and unchanged. For school-aged kids, now that your child is older, they can better comprehend the upcoming changes. Use age-appropriate language to openly discuss both the joys and challenges of having a new baby. This honest approach helps set realistic expectations. Make your child feel important by involving them in preparations. Let them help choose clothes, toys, and decorate the baby's room. Celebrate their contributions and show them how much it matters. You might also arrange opportunities for your child to interact with other babies or practice gently holding a doll to learn how to care for a baby. Helping your child understand the reality, not just a rosy picture. While it's important to talk about all the fun and excitement, it's equally important to prepare your child for the realities of having a newborn. Be honest. Explain that babies can't do much on their own. That they'll need feeding, diaper changes, and may cry during the night. Setting these expectations can prevent feelings of shock or disappointment when the baby arrives. But don't forget to reassure your child. 2. Let them know that you'll do your best to keep things fun and lively at home, and that you'll still make special time just for them. Maintaining one-on-one quality time. This is crucial. Dear parents, before the baby arrives, establish a routine of spending quality one-on-one time with your older child, whether it's reading together each night, playing a special game, or just having a mommy and me, or daddy and me outing. Dr. Kristen Carruthers calls these activities non-negotiables, privileges your child enjoys before and after the new baby comes. These special moments help your child feel loved, secure, and never left out, even when the baby demands a lot of your time. Inviting your child to join the adventure. When children get to take part in preparing for the baby, they feel like an important part of the change rather than an outsider. Invite your child to go baby shopping with you. Decorate the baby's room, or brainstorm cool names for their new sibling. Many kids have a blast picking names inspired by their favorite cartoon characters. Involving them not only gets them excited but also helps nurture their sibling bond right from the start. Understanding behavioral changes. Sometimes, even children who are well prepared might suddenly revert to more babyish behaviors, like bedwetting after being potty trained, wanting to bottle feed again, or becoming clingier. Please don't worry, this regression is completely normal. It's their way of expressing the need for reassurance during a time of big changes. For older kids, who have a strong sense of fairness, it's common to question why the baby seems to get special treatment. Be patient. Explain clearly that newborns have special needs, but emphasize how much you appreciate your older child's maturity. Assign age-appropriate, big helper tasks and heap on the praise for every act of responsibility they show. Preparing for the big day. When mom goes to the hospital. Mom being away at the hospital for a few days can make your child feel confused and worried. Explain ahead of time that mom needs to go to the hospital to bring the new baby home and that she'll be back soon. If a relative or friend will be caring for your child during this time, try to keep daily routines as normal as possible, like the usual bedtime story or good night kiss. If possible, visiting the hospital to see mom and the new baby can also be a wonderful way to strengthen the sibling bond early on. Once the baby is home, caring together. Bringing the baby home marks a brand new beginning. Watch for opportunities for your older child to help care for the new sibling in ways that suit their personality and interests. Some kids love fetching diapers or singing lullabies, while others may simply enjoy sitting nearby and playing quietly. Every little contribution helps them feel needed, valued, and even more bonded to their new sibling. Dear parents, the journey of welcoming a new family member might have its challenges, but it's also filled with immense joy and unforgettable memories. With thoughtful preparation, unconditional love, and patience, we can help our older child not only adapt well but also embrace their new role with excitement and pride. Wishing your family many warm, joyful moments with your precious little angels.